Hello guys, today we'll be cooking or making up some pancakes. So you just get your flour and your sugar, get a little mixture because we'll be throwing some eggs in this. I don't know how much cup I use. I just use 4 teaspoons sugar, no 4 teaspoons flour and 3 teaspoons sugar. Now I'm using 2 eggs. That is just for me, not for anyone else, so not much. So now you just separate the egg whites from the egg. I got a little yolk in my egg whites, but no matter. Now let's mix this up. Apparently I have to use 2 hands. So we get a little milk. Wow, dairy milk. Don't know much, but it's liquor. That feels like enough. Let's back to mixing. Is it? Like and sub guys and share. You see me? So that's all done. But it's fuzzy. Sorry about that, the camera was fuzzy. Now let's mix up the egg yolks. Is it? The egg whites until they are fluffy. Get in there. Now that's done. Let's throw in this. You see me? And now mix it around till it's smooth and empty there. So now I'm just heating up the stove. You see me? Putting it on high heat to make sure the stove works on heat. I'm just dropping a little oil. Not that much. Just a little. And spread it. Then we just pour it in. Looks that good. Kinda messy. Can clean it up later. Wait till the bubbles form and all these things. I'm just gonna skip some parts because I don't like long videos. Wow, and our first pancake, just wow. Just nice one. Some more is there, so I'm just gonna skip through and go to the part where we make the sauce for it, you see me? So while that is going cooking, just gonna get some water, a little pinch of water because it's not much syrup I'm making, and just let it go and boil. Let it go and boil. So while that's boiling, get some sugar and throw it in. You see me? About 3 teaspoons, but not that much. And I want it sugar burn. Depends on how much water you have. So I just threw in 3 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons of throwing. Let me take out these sugars nowadays. See that? If you have honey, like I do, link me if you want. Anyways, just throw in 1 teaspoon of honey. Like it a bun. throw in the honey in the bigger buckle though. You see me? A teaspoon of honey. Drop that in. Keep on high temperature, make everything hot down. And throw in butter, but I don't have butter today. You see me? Go for your vanilla extract. 1 cork. When this done, you know, almost as good as maple syrup, but it nice though. I tell you, it nice without honey. See that joke? Boil it till it hot, cause you don't want to hot it up, then it turn too tough. You just want it kind of watery. Put on the pancake and it tastes nice anyways. See there? Done.